Okay, let's take a look at histograms. And as soon as that goes away, there you go. If I go to File, and this might look different on your computer, but we won't go down to Options. So you should see Options somewhere there. And Add-ins. And then there'll be a Manage Excel Add-ins down here, and you click the button next to it. Now you need to have Analysis Toolpak, and I always choose Analysis Toolpak VBA also. And then you click OK. Now under the Data tab, you should see Data Analysis option. Okay, so let me make up some numbers. 82, 85, 75, 71, 53, 61, 62, 67, 99, 90, 88, 85. We'll go with that. Okay, now if I come over to the Data tab and choose Data Analysis, in here you'll see one that says histogram, and you click OK on that. Now the input range, this is where we put our data at, and you see the first cell here is A1, last cell is A12. So I'll type A1 colon A12, and you want to choose chart output, and then you click OK. This gives us a histogram. To change the title on here, if you click once, it selects this. Click it again, it puts a cursor inside, and you can say, I don't even know what this is. Let's say grades for stats. And same thing with a lot of these. You can select them to make changes. This says bin. Maybe I click that again, put grades in. This says frequency, and it didn't look like it allowed me to change this. I'm definitely not a expert at Excel, but I'm guessing if I would change it over here, it'd probably change this in the legend. Assuming I know how to do it. There it goes. Okay, well, I'm lying to you. It doesn't change the legend. Not that that's a big deal for this what we're doing here. Now let's say I don't like the bins it shows. The bins is our upper class limits. If I go back to sheet 1, then I can put my upper class limits here. So I could put 100, 90, 80, 70, 60. Go back to my data here, choose data analysis, go back to histogram. This now has dollar signs before everything, but that's okay. It's still A1 through A12. If I click bin range, that's going to be this right here, and I'll do B1 and B5. What I wasn't sure about is if I need to go from, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So you might have to do 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, but we'll see. Now I click OK. Guess it doesn't matter. And now it puts my bins down here. So it goes by tens, whatever I specified. And that's how you create a histogram.